Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about one of the most sought after topics out there, making money fast. I'm sure you've heard the phrase time is money. That can't be more true when it comes to finding ways to make money quickly. In this video, we will going to share with you for ways to make money fast, according to none other than Andrew Tate. So without further ado, let's get started. Body segment 1. The first way to make money fast is by creating a product. This can be anything from a physical product to a digital product. Andrew Tate suggests that you should identify a need in the market and create a product that meets that need. Once you have your product, you can start promoting it through social media, word of mouth, and other marketing tactics. If you do it right, you can start making money almost immediately. Body segment 2. The second way to make money fast is by offering a service. This could be anything from dog walking to graphic design to writing. Andrew Tate suggests that you should identify a skill that you have and start offering it as a service. You can promote your service through social media, word of mouth, and other marketing tactics. If you provide a high quality service, you can start making money almost immediately. Body segment 3. The third way to make money fast is by investing in the stock market. Andrew Tate suggests that you should do your research and find stocks that are likely to increase in value. Once you have identified these stocks, you can start investing your money. If you do it right, you can start making money almost immediately. However, it's important to remember that the stock market can be risky, so make sure you do your research before investing. Body segment 4. The fourth way to make money fast is by selling items online. This could be anything from clothes to electronics to furniture. Andrew Tate suggests that you should look for items you no longer need and sell them online through platforms like eBay or Amazon. You can also buy items at a low price and resell them at a higher price for a profit. If you do it right, you can start making money almost immediately. So there you have it for ways to make money fast according to Andrew Tate. Whether you choose to create a product, offer a service, invest in the stock market, or sell items online, there are plenty of opportunities out there to make money quickly. Of course, it's important to remember that there are no guarantees, and success will ultimately depend on your own effort and dedication. So go out there and start making money today.